Jalup Jatend Piny machon Rigathi Gachagua owuok tung' mosuogi Jatend Jolweny General Charles Kariri kendo nyise ni owere gi siasa. Kolose boma Naivasha, Gachagua osiemo Kariri konyise ni owe buogo jo Kenya koyango ni jopiny nigi ratiro mar golo Jatend Piny e apis ponono ni ogimor gi kit tende. E kinde nyasi ma Gachagua nitiere, apisa mag obila otemo tamo Gachagua dhi nyime gi twakne, kata kamano jopiny nochung' kode motegno.
Sisi hatuna shida na mtu yeyote. Na tungetaka kuambia mkuu ya majeshi General Kariri, wewe ni mtoto wetu wa nyumbani. Please. The military is a respected organization in this country because it has conducted itself professionally since independence. And it's the only institution that the people of Kenya trust. Please, usilete siasa kwa mambo ya majeshi. Majeshi kazi yao ni kulinda Kenya from external enemies. And that is the work of the military. So wewe usiingizwe kwa mambo ya siasa ya William Ruto. Hata ukijaribu kusaidia William Ruto, pahali mambo yake imefika saa hii general, uweze msaidia. Hao wananchi wamewachana na yeye. Mmewachana na yeye hapa bado. There is no way you can help him.